Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to another Ortega 2x2 tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to recognize PBL cases. So if you don't know any of the PBL algorithms, I have a video on that. Check down below in the description. I'll have a link to that video. Go check that out because you can't learn anything if you don't know the PBL algorithms. So we're going to be starting with the adjacent swap on top and adjacent swap on bottom. So what you want to do is, for this case, you want to recognize the bar on the bottom and the bar on the top, and you want to put those two bars together. The two bars won't necessarily be the same color, and it'll look kind of messed up back here, but you can tell that you're doing the case correctly if there's only two colors on this front face. So if you do the algorithm for this case, then you'll get an AUF, and you can just do the AUF after. So now this is the adjacent swap on top, diagonal swap on bottom. So how you recognize this case is you want to put the bar on the top in the front because there's no bar on the bottom, and you want to take a color that's on the bottom that's same as the bar at the top. So orange, because orange is the same as orange, and it could be on either side. So orange could be on this side or this side. So for example, in this case orange is on this side, and in this case orange is on this side. Either way is fine. So what you want to do is do the algorithm, and you will get possibly you will get an AUF, maybe not, and then you can just do the AUF, and that's how you recognize that case. So for the adjacent swap on top and bottom, what you can do is you can do it from any angle. So once you recognize that you have a diagonal swap on top and bottom, if it's like this, then great, you can do the algorithm, and it'll give you an AUF, and you can just solve that AUF. Or what you can do is like align it. So you see you can align it so that you have columns on both sides, and you can do the alg like this, and that will not give you an AUF. So it kind of depends on if you want to do post AUF or pre AUF. So yeah, that's how you recognize that case. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and if anything is confusing, let me know down below in the comments and I'll do my best to answer you. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I've posted the link down below in the description for all the PBL algorithms. So if you don't know those yet, go check that video out. And I'll have a playlist, like one big playlist for all of my Ortega 2x2 tutorials. So yeah, check that out, and yeah, so see you in the next one.